Hello, my people, my people. Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on the time this post will get to you. Please, so let's come and eat. I just came back. First of all, before you eat, let me tell you about this soup. This soup is Calabar soup. And this soup is so good. What did I use? Look at it. Hey, Jesus. This is a some. What vegetable did I use? I use water leaf. I use esam. I use okazi. How did I prepare the okazi? After washing the okazi, I sliced the okazi very well, then blended it. I blend the okazi with pepper. So my own, I used to put ogiri okpe. With plenty water leaf. Okazi that I bought is just 2,000. You know it's expensive here. My sister, this place I use chicken. I use stockfish and black fish. My dear, my husband just sitting down to eat. Myself, oh my God. So watch me as I enjoy my meal. Come and join me, please. Come and join me. This is some you want to bring it out. Hey, do you see the sound? My God. This is vegetable soup. It's very good. You know, I told you, I'm still on slimming challenge. A lot of people that will see me in next 3 months. No, I can't be like this. See me going down. Look at me. So, this vegetable is very good for me. I'm going to finish almost this vegetable with just one fufu. I'm going to eat only one fufu. Yes, and with this vegetable. So, join me as I eat. Why I eat one fufu? I suck my insam very well. Darling, just eat. You know, darling, my darling will not eat. Will not like to eat now. But I want you to see me enjoy the meal. Some people, after preparing their soup, they use spoon to eat it. Don't worry, you are going to. I will start preparing a lot of dishes that you need to cook for your husband. Prepare this one first, then come back and thank me. Now this one, Calabar people say that they use and collect somebody's husband. But this one you go use and keep your husband. You can't collect anybody one. People that are still on, maybe you have your fiancé. Make sure you prepare this meal. Because if you prepare this meal for the man, you will like it. Why do I say this food is very, it's a healthy food. It's so healthy. And that's why I'm saying this. Thank you. This is Love Ada, where you get a lot of things. What are we treating here? Good behavior that brings a good, successful family. When you behave well, you prepare nice dishes for your husband. Do all this one. You know, this time, I've not come. I know when I come out I will talk to men now. You will see people coming out talking now. Women just went on silence. I'm telling them the truth. It's not all women. Most women are very nice. But there are some women that they are not nice.